హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
Hello friends, how are you? Let's start today episode World Press Freedom Index. The World Press Freedom Index is an annual ranking of countries compiled and published by Reporters Without Borders since 2002. The WPFI is partly based on questionnaire that previously used seven methodologies. First, pluralism measures the degrees of representation of opinions in the media space. Second, media independence. Third, environment and self-censorship. Fourth, registration framework. Fifth, transparency. Sixth, infrastructure. And seventh, abuses. Norway has topped the 2024 World Press Freedom Index. Norway was followed by Denmark, Sweden, Netherlands, Finland, Estonia, Portugal, Ireland, Switzerland, and Germany on the index. India ranks below Pakistan at 159 among 180 countries in the World Press Freedom Index. India's rank improved from 161 in 2023 to 159 in 2024 index as other countries slipped in their ranking. Eritrea was at the bottom of the list with Syria just ahead of it. Highlights of the 2024 index: it shows an overall decline in press freedom globally and a steep rise in the political repression of journalists and independent media outlets, noting that press freedom fell by an average of 7.6 points globally. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe.